September 2023. Animal Spirit, Virgo. Lizard. Element Fire. The lizard is instinctual, sensitive to the subtle and the dreamer. The lizard is an expert in the realm of sensory perception, as if it has a sixth sense. The lizard hears what is yet to be spoken and sees what is yet to manifest. Although this is an amazing gift, it can easily wear the lizard down. Big crowds, lots of travel, or overstimulation will drain a lizard of their magical essence. This card is an indication to pull back from the bright lights and big city and return to the inner artist who has been whispering your name. When in balance, the lizard is artistic, telepathic, and spiritual. When out of balance, elusive, non-committal, and flaky. To bring into balance, one can start a creative project. The lizard.